Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build your custom AI agent to handle customer service for you with no code. So the tools that you can use in this video are a lot. So for you, just pick one that you want. There's of course the Tidio AI for website chats and automation, Zapier AI agent for workflow connected to data. You can use the BotPress Cloud for powerful and visual AI chatbot builder. You can use the customized GPT.ai to upload docs, train a bot with your data. You can use the chat-based/docs bot for simple bots based on PDFs and URLs. You can use also maybe there's the Intercom Fin AI and Zendesk AI for larger teams as well. So for me in this guide, I'm just going to use, we'll use a chat base, like the fastest and easiest for most users. So first of all, you'll need to prepare your content. You'll need to collect some frequently asked questions or facts, and you will need to connect also support documents, products manuals, or just write answers in a doc. And you would like basically to save those answers on a PDF or text file or even docx, or have a help page URL. The second step is building the AI agent. So I'm just going, as I said, I'm going for a chat-based example. So I'm going to chatbase.co. Let's just go and access that. It will take us as an example to a website. Of course, you can go and use any browser that you want. So go and open whatever browser you want, and you can go to chatbase.io. Keep in mind that they offer a free plan, so it's totally up to you if you want to upgrade it, but they offer a free plan. You get one AI agent, one seat, as an example, 100 messages credits per month. So for me, I'm just going to click on try for free. I'm going to sign in using my Google account. It's very simple. You can do the same, or you can do it manually, filling up the information manually. So once you create your account, you'll have to click on build your chatbots, as an example, or a new agent. And in here, as an example, we'll have to add some files. As you can see, if you're uploading PDF, make sure you select/highlight the text. Of course, as you can see here, you have a total size as 0. At the moment, I have 0 bytes /400 kilobytes. If you have like a large PDF, or maybe it's got a lot of megabytes in there, you can find a lot of tools online that can lower the size of your PDFs. So now what you can do, as we said, the supported files, as we said before, is this PDF, docx, or text. It seems like they don't support URLs, so make sure to have it on a text file, doc file, PDF file, something like that. Just go and click on upload, and make sure to upload your file or your file, whatever it is. It's PDF, text, whatever you want. And of course, you'll be able then to name your bot once you upload your file. So then you'll be able to even customize the welcome message and default answers. Maybe something like, sorry, I don't have info on that yet, or something like that. So once you add your files, you can go and click on create your agents. And as I said, for me, I'll not be able to do it because I have no answers on a file, something like that. But for you, once you click on create an agent, you're already good to go. You can, after that, try to customize their behavior, like set some tone, maybe friendly, maybe professional. You can add some follow-up suggestion. Maybe you can turn on restricted to my content, so the AI only answers based on your info. And you can also add languages, logo, or voice tone if it supports the voice somehow. You can then add it also to your website. Once you create your bot, you'll find an export button, and you can copy the chatbot embed code. You can paste it on your website HTML, or use a no-code builder like WordPress, Shopify with a custom code section or something like that. And you'll be able also, if you want to, just optional, to automate it with Zapier. You can create some zaps, like if a user asks about billing, send an email to support. If a user asks for a refund, add to Google Sheets or something like that. And also you can connect it to some messenger app or WhatsApp or email. Some tools like Tidio or Landbot or BotPress can connect an AI agent to WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, email, Slack, or Discord. It is very useful. And as a final result, you will get a customer ask questions. Your AI agent will reply instantly, and you will save hours of manual replies, and it's no coding required. You will not code during all the way. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.